spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do if I told you you were beautiful?
Good morning, YouTube. How goes it? Don't judge my little lopsided bun, y'all. Just woke up not too long ago. Me and mom went to get some Einstein bagels, and let me tell you, it's something about that honey almond cream cheese, y'all. It just touches my soul. God is doing something in my life and in my world, and I'm totally okay with that, Lord. And I want to be obedient to what I feel he is calling me to do. And part of that is me picking up this camera a little bit more often. So that's what we're going to do. And we're going to stop procrastinating. We're going to stop putting off things we don't want to do or things that scare us or give us anxiety. It's not what we're doing on this channel. We are taking risks and we're betting on ourselves. Y'all, get into these personals though. These are really, really cute. This is not sponsored, but the nails I'm wearing are by Sally Henson. This was really cute for fall. They've kind of had like this like holographic, like almost change colors depending on the way you look at the angle and stuff. I don't know, they're really, really cute. So
things I don't understand. Sometimes I need to pay along. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Wanna please My Little Pony. Whoever in my way, Miss Pac-Man.
I made it to the first unit, and I freaking love when guests clean up behind themselves. It just makes my spirit tingle. Y'all, the last couple of guests, I promise you, have been Eskimos. This was on cool. It's like 50 some degrees outside already here in Texas. Not to mention it's been raining, like flood warning status. It's an igloo in here.
Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. I can feel your energy from Let me tell you about this girl. Maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing. What I'm kissing, what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave.
Oh, something else we're doing tomorrow, which I'm kind of excited about. I'm gonna take you guys with me. So Sherry is getting married. If you've seen my other videos, I've been kind of talking about it here and there. She's getting married in 2 weeks. Gonna be a whole wife in these streets. She's joining the Left Hand Gang. We're going to see her wedding venue tomorrow. She invited me to come with her for one of her meetings, and of course I said yes. So we're doing that tomorrow. So I'll take you guys with me.
To me, you love me right down to my knees, and whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes, even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
Love it. Oh, and we have Wednesday. Hi, Wednesday.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting when with you. I know my heart can't take no more, but I keep on running like you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take.
It's so cute, y'all. This is definitely very much so Sherry's vibe. It's so cute. actually a really nice size. I didn't know it kept going.
Yeah. But I was saying, like, this is where I want everyone to put like their belongings, like not out
Oh
here.
yeah. This is so cute. A lot of mirrors.
And you know, I'm planning to have like champagne and charcuterie and all that to sit out here and eat and hang out. Because when y'all get here, then like everything.
Right.
Not an option.
Oh, are y'all gonna have any signage?
It'll be outside.
Okay.
What we do. But this is the original chapel that's been sitting on this property for over 100 years.
Oh wow.
And they added the windows. There wasn't these windows here. There were only those windows because there's no lighting in here.
Got the keys to the new unit, so we're going to start unloading the car, and I'm just walking around. We're gonna start unloading the car and yeah, start setting up. It's gonna be a couple hours, so let's get to the bed.
Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once a peso.
How do you feel?
I feel wonderful.
You look calmer.
I am. I'm much calmer than earlier when things are a little out of control. So we're in control now. We're good.
Love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you.